We have 1 liter of milk and we will make chana from this. Once the milk starts boiling, turn off the flame and add 1 lemon juice diluted in water to the milk and stir continuously. After adding the lemon juice, we will wait for 5 minutes and then strain the water and separate chana. We'll remove the excess water in the chana. We will take a pan and boil 1 cup of water. We'll add little bit of salt and cover it. We will roughly chop 4 small size onion. Water is boiling and now we will add the onions. We'll add 50 grams of cashews, 3 green chilies, 4 green cardamom, and we'll cover it again. And let it boil for 15 minutes. Now we will start making the koftas. We'll smash the chana with the hand. Now we will add some salt, some finely chopped coriander leaves, green chili, little bit of kasuri methi powder, pinch of garam masala, pinch of cardamom powder, and 3 tablespoons white flour. And now we will mix all the ingredients. Smash the chana very nicely with your palm like this. Kofta dough is ready and we will rest it for 5 minutes. Now we will turn off the flame and strain the water and make a fine paste of this. Before that we will remove the green chilies. In a pan we will heat 1 tablespoon oil. Once the oil gets heated, we will add the black cardamom seeds only, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, dash of water, we have sliced 3 chilies. Now we will add it. Now we will add the onion cashew paste which we had boiled earlier. We will add very little water and cook the gravy in low flame for 10 minutes. Add salt according to your taste. Make the kofta balls. drops of oil on your palm. Rub it and then roll the kofta balls softly to give a shape. Take a kadai, add some oil and then fry the kofta balls until it's golden brown. Now we will add 1 cup of warm water. Add the kofta balls to the gravy. Keep the flame on medium and give it a good boil and cover the lid. Add 2 tablespoons of dairy fresh cream. Half teaspoon of garam masala. Little bit kasuri methi powder. 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder. And mix it well. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of sugar, but this is optional. Boil for next 2 minutes. It is done and it's ready to serve.